So you're gonna be seeing my home art studio tour, and this is a really special space for me and my husband. It's our home office also, so he spends a lot of time there. But we enjoy this space. Our intentions when we first moved in were for this. We do kind of want to turn it into a little bit of like a studio, maybe with like a sleeper sofa and coffee machine and stuff out there. But for the time being, this is where we're at. I do wish we spent more time out there in the evenings, but I think once we have some furniture out there, that can change. And for the time being, we'll probably go out a couple times a week and do painting and get things organized, but it's definitely a blessing, and it's something that I don't always like to say manifest, but it's definitely something we and I have manifested throughout the last like 10 years of I really wanted a home studio space. I've always painted in my kitchen table or just in my bedroom or places that are not well ventilated. And so this has been the opportunity for me to actualize that dream of mine. And I'm so happy and so pleased with it. And so I can't wait to share with you guys the space. So you can get to the back building one of two ways: from this door or from the garage and laundry area. And when you come in, we kind of just have it as a done up. Used to be a shop garage, but we have this mini fridge with, I promise that's beer for parties, not for us in that quantity, and a deep freeze. We have this plant, one of the many paintings. This shelf up here that I kind of have this coffee things I use for painting set up for. We have our bar, finished paintings / shop equipment, studio equipment now, our ladder, my husband's golf clubs, all my painting equipment, a projector so that we can eventually get a couch in here, but we bring the projector out to put up on the screen right there, so that's nice. We can always use that. It's my husband's kind of workout area. My son's painting area, my extra frames, my current working space, a garage that does open. It's actually quite nice. Our plant that you saw previously. Just all these layered rugs. We have one fan out here, my makeshift curtain. And just kind of desk stuff. And down here, we have a bunch of tools and extra supplies. But it is my husband's office during the day, and just a studio space as an accessory. So for the paintings, we have this one I'm currently working on. Originally reminded me of Neapolitan ice cream. This one that's grown to be one of my faves with the shape collection. It's almost finished. This one that just got started. Just a paper piece. We have this shape one underneath. I have a second shape one I really like. And these are similar to the ones that I have in the guest room that I showed previously in my artwork I have in my house tour. I like that one. This one, I don't know if it's a skateboard or a pill, but it has a really cool frame and lots of texture going on. And then this kind of Japanese or sigils one. Another one in the Wheatfield series. This one that doesn't really have a series, but I like it. Wheatfield's one I like, and a commission piece that I just finished. And yeah, this one originally. One of my other favorite ones too is this. It's one of the portals. That's super cute. Danny DeVito pillowcase. Yeah, homemade blackout velvet curtains. It's pretty fancy stuff, but we have some higher hopes for how we can develop the space, but for now, I just sit here and go all out. Use my daughters, those are my favorites. And then right here I have all of my extra paintbrushes and my buckets that I use for water. Sponges, brushes, paint lids that I use for paint. My immediate use paints, my tarps. And then up here, as far as supplies, I have old paint from the home that I use in here, and various brushes and containers and staplers and other daughters. So that's where we're at there. Anyway, thanks for checking it out and have a good time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my home art studio tour. It's definitely the least minimal of our minimal home spaces, but I'll keep you posted on what works I have in process and in progress and what I have going moving forward. Thank you. Bye.